Welcome to the AI Petter Insights YouTube channel. Here I'll be sharing the latest AI knowledge, trends, and tools so you can stay updated and put them into practice more easily. In today's video, I found a really interesting tool designed for AI voice generation. I'll sign up for an account, test it out live, and walk you through the process step by step so you can follow along. In this section, I'm going to show you a very useful tool that lets you create voiceovers from text and even clone voices. The tool I'll be introducing today is ElevenLabs. Next, I'll walk through the sign-up process and explore the main features available inside the platform with you. I'll leave the ElevenLabs registration link in both the video description and the pinned comment so you can click it and create an account bisuhula. Once you click the link, you'll see an interface like this. Now, let's go ahead and create an ElevenLabs account together. To create an account, the first thing you need to do is click Sign Up. From there, you can choose to register with email in the usual way, or simply enter your email address to get started. However, the fastest and most convenient option is to sign up using an email account that is already logged in on your device. That way, the registration process becomes much quicker and easier. First, we access the link below. Then we click Sign Up. In the next step, click Sign Up with Google. Then select your email account and click Continue. After that, wait a moment for the software to sign you in. We wait a little, and at this step, we continue by clicking Continue. Next, we confirm our age by checking the box that says we are 18 years old. Then click Next. After that, it asks which channel you heard about it from, so we choose YouTube. At this step, we click Skip. For the next section, we also do not need anything there, so we click Skip again. Continue clicking Skip, and in the following step, it will take you to the home page, which means the registration has been completed successfully. At this point, I've successfully accessed the ElevenLabs platform. What you're seeing here is the main homepage of ElevenLabs. At the top, there are three main sections, including content creation, content editing, and AI localization. In this tutorial, I'm going to start with the first section, because it's the most common, the easiest to use, and the one most people begin with. When you click into that first section, you'll see a variety of applications, and from what I can see, the tools in this category are all widely used and very practical for getting started with ElevenLabs. Next, over here, you'll see the account avatar icon, and I can click on it to view more account information and related settings. When you first sign up for an ElevenLabs account, you'll receive 10,000 credits to try out the platform. From what I understand, those 10,000 credits can be used over the course of 1 month. Once you use them up, you'll need to wait until the next month for another 10,000 credits to be added to your account. If you want to keep using the platform right away after running out, then you'll need to upgrade to a higher plan. For the paid options, ElevenLabs currently shows 3 main plans. The first plan costs $6 per month and gives you 30,000 credits to use for content creation. The second plan is the Creator plan, which is also a popular option, and it gives you 121,000 credits. The third plan includes 600,000 credits and is priced at $99 per month. However, right now I can see that this plan is on sale for $11 per month. Since I'm signing up in the first month, it comes with a 50% discount. Starting from the second month, the price will go up to $22 per month. When you sign up for this popular plan, most of the key features are already available to use. For example, it includes text-to-speech, sound effects, and several other content creation tools that I can see are already unlocked. The voice-related features are also available quite fully and are very convenient to use. Further down, you can also access sections like Studio, audiobooks, and dubbing. Overall, this plan already includes the main tools you need to get started. Besides the homepage, in this part, I'm going to give you a quick overview of the ElevenLabs interface so you can get a better idea of how the platform is organized. In the next videos, I'll create separate tutorials that go into more detail about each application available here. First, I can see the Voice section, and you can click on it to explore further. Inside, there are many different voice options to choose from. At the top, there is also a language filter, so you can select whichever language you want to use. For example, if I want to use English, I'll simply choose English. Right next to that, you'll see the voice type options, such as Any Voice and Standard Voice. You can simply check the one you want to use. For this part, I'm going to leave it as the default setting. Over here, the platform also organizes voices into different categories, such as conversational, narration, character, and social media. This makes it much easier to quickly choose the right voice style for your content. If you want to create content with a storytelling style, you can simply select the narration category. This type of voice works very well for storytelling videos, story reading, or narrated content. When you find a voice that seems suitable, you can click on it to listen to a preview first and see whether it matches the style you want. If it sounds good and fits your needs, you can save that voice and use it again later. Next, you can click on any voice here to preview it and learn more before making your choice. If you find a voice you like and want to save it for easier access later, just click Add to My Voices. Simply press Add on the voice you want. For example, I'll add this one here. Once it's added, it will automatically appear in the My Voices section. This is where all the voices I've saved are collected, so I can quickly open and use them again later. In this section, you can see that ElevenLabs already displays many voice collections that are clearly organized, making them easier to browse and choose from. First, there is a section for trending voices, which means the voices that are currently popular and widely used. Besides that, there are also carefully curated voice collections, recommended based on common user needs. For example, you can find categories such as standout dubbing voices for ElevenLabs VO3, popular TikTok voices, which are great for anyone creating short-form content and wanting to test different voice styles. There are also studio-quality conversational voices, as well as engaging character voices for entertainment, storytelling, or creative projects. Overall, there are a lot of options here. Whatever type of voice you want to use, you can simply go into that category to explore and try it out. There is even a relaxation and meditation section for content that needs a softer, calmer, and more soothing tone. Besides voice features, ElevenLabs also includes many other tools to support AI content creation. For example, you can see features such as text-to-speech, voice changer, voice isolation, sound effects, and even music generation. Overall, the ElevenLabs ecosystem is quite rich, so once you get inside, you'll find a wide range of tools to explore and use, depending on your needs. Thank you for watching this video. In the upcoming videos, I'll continue to guide you through each feature available on ElevenLabs in more detail, so you can better understand how to use them and apply them more effectively to your own needs.